how we set the hub up and how it can be used for infrared controls for TV, but also bear in mind any other infrared device where you have an infrared remote as normal, and this can replace that for your users. Now what we want to do with one is we want to train code 1 to be power on and off, to be that standby button on your remote. So we press the learn button and the code button goes green, and that's basically saying it's waiting to accept the code. So we pick up our remote and we press that standby button there. Press it once and it goes orange. When the LED goes orange, that's it saying it's received it once, but it will need to receive it again just to confirm what you've pressed. So we'll press it again and then it disappears. That's code 1 set up. So when you're pairing a device, you press the hub pairing first and you get a light flashing on the hub to say we want to pair. You can see that flashing there. When you're in that situation, it is as simple as pressing the pair button here at the top, holding it down and then pressing the button you'd like to pair. So in this instance, we go like that. You hear a noise, it says P at the top, and you see the left hand light go green, bold, and you simply wait for it to disappear. But now we don't want the sound because you can't hear me. So let's change that one button at the top to function 4, which if you remember rightly we set up on the hub as mute. Let that sort of disappear so it's all set in place. We're still paired with the hub and we just changed what we want it to process as mute. So we hit the pair button like last time. Green LED is flashing nicely there on the hub, and then on the back of the Environ switch you'll see these two buttons here, one with the M next to it and one with the P. The P is the pairing button, so we press that and you get this P come up on the LED screen there to show that it's paired, and it disappears when it's fully paired. Turn the TV on, now we're paired with the hub and we're on code 1, is press the switch. And there we are, TV coming on. The hub is still paired to the app and the hub still has the same code set up as we'd set up previously. So all we need to do now is try it. There we go, TV should be coming on. And there we go. And of course we can change the channels. So there we are, number 2. Press it once and the lamp comes on. Press it again and the lamp goes off. Then if I press this button, we get the power come on. Notice I haven't unpaired the switch. You can have more than one device, as we said right at the start of these videos, connected to each different section. It doesn't counteract each other, it doesn't cancel each other out. You can have them all doing different things different times. So essentially you could still be using the iPad app to use the TV, but then if you wanted to add the lamp to the mix, you'd simply press that button there and press it again to turn off. Nice and easy.